Are you running a construction business or is it running you? I'm Jason Trester, founder of Kingdom Coaching. I help contractors across Minnesota and Wisconsin who are great at their work but stuck in the grind. You're chasing bids, managing crews, and still feel like you can't step away without everything falling apart? We fix that by installing systems that help you scale lead flow, estimating, scheduling, hiring, and leadership. When the business runs itself, your profit and time both multiply. Right now, I'm running a limited consulting special for local contractors ready to grow into more commercial projects. It's hands-on, customized, and designed to deliver a 7x return on investment within 90 days, or you get your money back. If you're ready to finally build a company that works without you, book your free strategy call today. Call or text 763-373-4478 or book a call, Google Meet, or in-person meeting at your office or mine at the link below.
Jason has been a tremendous asset to me, helping me develop systems, lead generation. The big thing he's helped me with is just motivating me to stay focused, stay on track, no matter what, and to help with my estimating. Can't say enough good things about him. Hell of a guy.
Just had lunch with Jason Trester. He's a very valuable friend, very helpful with many of us out here. So give him a call, trust him. You won't regret it.